Hey folks, DTM here. The hub is installed and I hooked the wire onto the wheel speed sensor on the back, and I turn the key on. To make sure. Watch the low track off. The lights went out. And so did the ABS light went out in here. It's gone. Finally, it's gone. That's a good sign. All I gotta do is just put the caliper on and the rest of that, and we are good, folks. We are good. I will say one thing, that getting off the old hub, the old one, that one, was a son of a gun. You had to beat it off. But anyways, while I was up in here, I painted those lines and stuff, you know, cleaned some things up, the whole 9 yards, freaking painted up in there. But now it's just put the caliper on, brake pads, and the caliper. I got to install the emergency brake, this ominous emergency brake cable, got to do that next. And then let's get her back together. All right, it's gonna work. All right, see you, bye.